graders, welcome to your Thursday of math. Okay, so today we're going to look at place value again today. So I've got my tens and my ones right here, and we're going to count these. Okay, so I have, count with me, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. In the number 55, how many tens do I have? So if I were to count those, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and 5 ones. So if I were to write that out on my board, here is my number 55 that I just showed you with our tens and our ones. How many tens were in 55? Remember that first digit tells me how many tens. So I have 5 tens, and that second digit tells me how many ones I have. I have 5 ones to make my number 55. And then if I'm going to make an equation, my 55 equals 50, because that was how many tens I had all together. I had 50's worth of tens plus 5 ones. So when I'm breaking 55 down, 55 equals 50 plus 5. I've got a 50 here and a 5. 55. Okay, let's try one more like that. Take a look at the second number I have. Okay, let's start with our tens first. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. So how many tens are in 62? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And how many ones? 2 ones. Okay, let's take a look at how that is on a board. So I'm going to erase my problem from last time. Okay, so this time I have 61, or 62 I had. 62. How many tens were in 62? That first digit tells me how many tens I had. I have 6 tens. The second digit tells me how many ones I have. I had 2 ones. And then down here for my equation, 62 equals, that's 60 plus 2 more. So 62 equals 60 plus 2 more. Okay, so here's what you have for your worksheet today. You've got a two-sider. Okay, on the front, they tell you what your number is, except for on the bottom when you need to figure out what that number is. Okay, so 65 equals how many tens? Write your number here. How many ones? Write your number here, and then finish the equation. So that number 65 equals 60 plus, and how many ones to break that down? Okay, same thing for this one. They gave you the number 74. 74 equals how many tens? How many ones? And then finish your equation. This one you need to do from scratch. You need to figure out what that number is. Write it here. And that number equals how many tens and how many ones, and then do your equation. Okay, on the back, you need to complete these little problems. So read your problems and then figure out what your answer is going to be. Okay, when you're done with both sides, you can choose something off of the bookshelf in room 2.